little bit easier to do it that way. What have I got here? I've got an orange and another orange. Okay, and so you're going to sew it like this. Okay, that doesn't look right, but it is right. And then you're going to do another orange. I know those are different backgrounds, but it's just a quick demonstration. And then for this one, you only have this here, and see, you're starting to form that angle right there. And then you would take one more dark blue triangle and you'd put it right here. So then you have this basically. And it looks bigger because the 1/4" seams aren't in there. So again, this is row 1, this is row 2, and then you sew row 3 to the bottom of row 2, and you have that way you're sewing straight lines. The hard part is if you try to fit these in here and they're already sewn together, you have to pivot at the angle, and that's no fun. And then it's very easy to sew this block to the other triangle. Very easy and doable and fun. You can trim this if you'd like to. You see how mine turned out a teeny bit crooked. The only thing you want to be careful is that you don't get too close to the point, because you need to leave room for your seam, otherwise your triangles end up looking like that, and that's not quite as pretty. So if you do have less, you need to note that when you make your seam. And then, because you can always trim the outside, but you want your points to show. Do you understand what I mean by that? Okay, so so then I would sew, once I got my 4 blocks together, I'd sew like this, and then I'd sew top to bottom. Now, some people are putting the